Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log out your Viber. So if you want to log out your Viber, you can see you can't find the logout option in the settings. So what you have to do is tap and hold on to the Viber application and then tap on app info over here. After tapping on app info, you have to tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear storage. After tapping on clear storage, tap on OK. After tapping on clear storage, you will clear everything from your Viber account, from your account details to your chat, everything. After doing that, you can see you have successfully logged out from your Viber account. So if you want to log into your Viber account now, you just have to tap on start now and enter your mobile number, and you will enter to your Viber account again. So this is the only way how you can log out from your Viber account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.